It's Matt here with 911R on Bring a Trailer, Avant-Garde. We have this 89 Speedster that's going to be ending up today, so I thought we'd just do a quick little walk around and talk about the car. This car is a really rare finished Dunkel blue. It's a dark blue, non-metallic paint. I can only find a couple of others out there that were finished in this color. You look on Rainbow, they call it 4 paint cans, which is one of the rarest colors there is. We did a Porsche technical certificate on this car where it went to the Classic Center and had a full inspection on it. And we got the report. We waited like 2 months to get it. I was really hoping for it to come back and say this is a paint to sample color. It didn't say it on the thing, but I would believe that this most likely is a true paint to sample. I don't have any documentation to prove that, but with the rarity of the color, the only a couple that I can find in the registry that were ever done in this color, and that it wasn't a standard color in 1989. It's got to be a paint to sample special order. Other special options about this car are the dark blue dash, tops of the door cards, the steering wheel on this car. Also, it does have the factory sports seats that are power, and all that. It does have air conditioning as well, floor mats, and everything like that. Walking around the car, this car had been sitting for some time, and it was taken to Zuffhausen here in Scottsdale, which is a really reputable air-cooled shop, and they did lots of major service on it. We went through and also did some more work on it. The car runs like a top. Everything about it is just ready to go. Somebody can get in this car and not have any issues. And again, AC was an option on these cars, and not a lot of them had it. So having AC is actually really nice on it. It's got Pirelli tires on it. The paint on it is all very nice. Here we go, more jet planes coming in. But you can see everything on this car is just, nice and clean, well maintained. I'm walking and open the front. You gotta love the M491, turbo bodies on these cars. It really makes them sharp. You get better brakes, better suspension, the full turbo steel flares and everything. This car has all its tools, air pump, spare tire, just everything here on the car. Also in '89 thing, something was going on, was these VIN tags. All the VIN tags are present on this car. These were anti-theft. It numbered all the panels on a car to show that they were the original factory panels. Again, this car has all of that. Any questions, use the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote or assistance, we're happy to work with you on that. Or if you're ever interested in selling a car with 911R, use the contact seller button too. We'll get right back to you, and thank you and good luck.